Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the side track on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new side track for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before we get started, note that these steps apply to both the right and left side track, as they share the same part number. To gain access to the track, we will first need to remove these shelves. Tilt the front up, and then lift and pull out to remove. Then, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the track in place. If you need to purchase a new side track, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the track to the retaining slots on the back of the refrigerator compartment and press into place. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. Align the tabs on the back of the shelves with the notches in the tracks. Insert and set into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.